Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. So this is another video of calendar business object. Now in this video I am going to show you how to use each other holiday. The use of this is you can write a condition in a board, so it will, whenever board will run, it will check the current date is other holiday. If yes, then board will not move ahead. It means it will just stop that and says that like today is holiday, other holiday. So you can take like that. So how can you do that? Let me take action stage here, double click on that, select calendar, select each other holiday. So it requires you say that calendar name. Now we'll enter the specific date and we'll check is this date is the other holiday. So let's say in this we have 18 and 19, this is the other holiday. So if we'll pass here today just to check that this is other holiday. So let me put here today and go to output. It will give you as a flag data, it means true or false. Link this. So you know that today is 16, that is not other holiday, because in our calendar we have just specified 18 and 19. So here we will be getting only false. So set next stage and we are getting false because today is not other holiday. Now just make some changes, enter other date like 18 October 2021. Now you know that 18, this date we have already specified as a other holiday. So right click, set next stage. So it will check here that is 18 is the other holiday. So yes, we are getting true. So we can write some condition, we can take a decision stage, we can check if each other holiday equal to true, then stop the board. It means perform the cleanup process and close that. If no, then you want to check for public holiday or other things, you can do that. So I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks.